Do you browse various profiles on Instagram? If you're dealing with a cluttered Instagram search history and want to hide your search terms from others, you can enable the auto clear option instead of deleting them manually. I'll show you how. First, open your profile page on Instagram. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that opens, access Accounts Center. Scroll down a bit and open your information and permissions. Among the available options, find and open search history. If you select your account here, you'll see the recent searches you've made on Instagram. Let's go back one step. Here, you need to click on the last option labeled Keep Searches For. Now we've reached the key step. Here, select one of the available time intervals. This time interval determines how long your search history will be kept. Once the selected period expires, your search history will be automatically deleted. The default period is 30 days. Keep in mind that the app may take up to 24 hours to clear the search history automatically. Select the desired period, and that's it. Test after the set period to ensure the auto-clean feature is working. Like the video and subscribe to our channel.